Hello student, how are you? Fine? Okay. Now we start our chapter number 5, Anita and the honeybees. Now Anita is a one girl. It is of the surname is the Kushwaha, right? So shall we start? Okay. My name is Anita Kushwaha. I live in Bochaha village. Anita live in the Bochaha village. Okay. This village is at Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. The village is in the Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. I stay with my parents and two younger brother. Now the Anita live with the parents and two younger brothers. I study in college. Besides studying, I read, I teach young children. I also keep honeybees. Now what the Anita do? Anita is studying in the college, and beside the studying she also teach the young children and do the honeybees keeping, right? Okay, now all these have not been easy for me. This one, it is the very challenging job. It is not easy for the Anita. When I was young, I used to spend all my time with my goats as they gazed for food. Now Anita, when the Anita was young, they used to spend many times with the gazing of the goat for their food. Okay, I always wanted to go to school, but my parents did not like the idea of girl going to school. Now Anita wanted to go to the school, but her parents don't allow and don't like, did not like to go to the school, and they don't want to send the Anita to school, and they wanted to Anita join their farming work. Okay, now a dream of school. It is the dream of the Anita. And one day I reached the school and silently sat down beside the children. One day what happened? Anita went to the school and silently sit down behind all the childrens. I felt so happy, and that day Anita felt very happy. When I came back home and collected courage to talk my parents about the school, and after coming from the school, she talked with the parents about the school, and she said I also want to go to the school, but they clearly told me not to go to school. I cried a lot, and parents told you don't go at the school. So when the parents tell don't go to school, Anita cried a lot, right? बहुत रोने लगी. One of the teacher in my village come to know about this, and he explained to my parents about the education. Now one teacher know about that incidents, and they explained the parents of the Anita and talk about the education. Education, you know children, education is the fundamental right of the all the students and all the children. The teacher also told them they would not have to pay anything for the education up to 8 standard, right? Now government has declared any students who want to go to the school, they don't have to pay the any fees for the 8 standard, up to 8 standard, right? The teacher said that it is the basic right of the every child to go to school. Now teacher told and teacher explained the parents of the Anita, it is the basic right of the child to go to the school. My parents agreed, and I started going to school. And then after the parents of the Anita is agreed, and they started to going to school. I was so intelligent, but I was not so intelligent, but I always ask question. Anita was not very intelligent, but always they ask the question why happened, what's happened, right? Every time they want to ask the question. Okay, now this one is your workbook part. I already sent when I sent the PDF. Okay, now look at here children, study is continued. Now Anita has started the study. I pass class 5th. Now Anita passed the class 5th. I knew that the cost of my study would increase now, and Anita knew that now cost of the study is increased day by day, and when the standard is higher, right? My parents were not ready for my education by I wanted to study. Parents is not ready for the education, but Anita wanted to study. I start to teach younger children, and what the Anita did, Anita had started to teach the younger children. From that money, I continued my study. Anita had started the tuition, and they take the fees and they continued their study. Okay. Now it is the every child right to study. Education up to 8 is free. It is the government rules, right? Slowly I started talking to other parents in the village about the sending their daughters to school. And what did Anita do? Anita also explained all the villagers and the other parents to send their child to the school, right? My parents also started helping me in my work, and now parents of the Anita also help to the Anita. My mother used to do all the household work, and so I could get more time to study. And mother used to do all the household work and gave the time to the Anita for the study. Right? Now look at here, children. There are many lychee trees in our area. In Anita's area, there were many lychee trees. Honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers, and honeybee very attracted to the lychee flowers. So many people do the work of beekeeping. So in around the area of the Anita, many people do the beekeeping work. Government also provide training for that, and our government has also provide the training. I joined this training, and Anita joined the training. I was the only girl in this, and she is only the girl, right? Honeybee lay their egg from October to December. Now honeybee lays egg during the October to December month. It was the best time to start beekeeping, and it is the best time for the honey beekeeping, right? Now look at children here. Look at here. Here is the picture of the flower and sitting the honeybees, right? Okay, now here is the Anita studying to other children, and this is the Anita and her parents and her mother, right? Okay. Now look at here, becoming a beekeeper. Now what is the Anita doing? It become the beekeeper now. I completed my beekeeping course, and Anita has completed the beekeeping course, but I need more money to start work, but Anita need the money. I continued to teach and collected 5,000 rupees. I continued to teach and collected 5,000 rupees. Now Anita has continued the giving the tuition and collected the 5,000 rupees. With this money, I bought 2 boxes for keeping bees, and from that Anita bought 2 boxes for the beekeeping. Each box consists 2,000 rupees. With the remaining money, now each box contains the 2,000. That means Anita purchased 2 boxes. That means the 4,000 rupees spent for the boxes, right? And remaining 1,000, Anita bought a sugar to make the syrup for honeybee, and the Anita remaining 1,000 rupees, Anita purchased the syrup. Anita purchased the sugar for the syrup of the honeybees and medicines to clean up the beehive. Now remaining 1,000, Anita purchased the sugar for the syrup and medicines, right? Okay. Now look at here, children. This is the Anita with the box and the honeybees. Okay, you visible? Okay, you can see this picture. Now Anita and the honeybees. That was in September. Now September is there. By December I had so many bees. Anita started with the September, and up to December they grow the many honeybees. Still I had to buy 2 more boxes, and then Anita want another 2 boxes. I was still learning about the beekeeping, and Anita also continue their beekeeping work. Many times the bee would sting me and my hands and face would get swollen. You know, children, when the honeybee sting anyone, then what's happen? We swelling on the hands and whatever, whichever part we have the affected, right? So sometimes Anita also like that, when the honeybee sting, then their hands and face also swollen. It would pain a lot and it a paining time. I cannot complain to anybody. वो किसी को कंप्लेन नहीं करती थी. I myself had decided to do this work because Anita has herself decided to do the work. Okay. Now here on the lychee tree, flowers have bloom in February. Now lychee on the lychee tree, flowers bloom in the month of the February. I put all my boxes near the lychee orchard, and what the Anita do? Anita put all the boxes near the lychee orchard. I collected 12 kg of honey from each box, and Anita got the 12 kg honey from each box. How many box Anita have? Anita have the 2 box, right? And they want to purchase another 2 box, right? I sold this money in the market, honey in the market, and then after Anita sold the honey in the market. This way my first earning from bees, and Anita get the money from the beekeeping. Now I have 20 boxes. Now Anita has how many boxes? 20 boxes, right? In one box it is the 12 kg honey. Then what is about the 20 boxes? It is the 12 to the 240, right? 240 kg honey. Okay, every day I go to the college on cycle. Every day Anita go to the college with the help of the cycle. Look at here, children. Picture is there here. This one is the Anita, right? My college is 5 kilometers away in the town. College is 5 kilometers away. Now you also know about the Anita. Now children, you also know about the Anita, what Anita's life is, how to Anita life is going, right? Now look at here. Anita is known by the everyone in the village nearby. Now Anita is become very famous due to their hard work, and all the villagers and nearby people also knows to Anita, right? She goes to all the villages meeting and talk about how to important it is for everyone to study. Now Anita start going to village to all the and talk with the villagers and explain what is the importance of the study and why the everyone has to study, right? Sometimes people make fun on her, but Anita knows what he had to do. Sometimes people also laugh on the Anita, but Anita has to continue their work. Okay. Now Anita want to become a wholesaler. Now Anita is the wholesaler. So first one Anita is the retailer, but now she is the wholesaler, so that she can help the villagers to get the right price of their honey. So they help to the villagers, everyone get the right price for the honey, right? Okay. Every beehive has one queen. Now look at here, children. Every beehive, हर एक beehive के अंदर bee queen होती है, that lays egg. वो egg रखती है. Most of the bee in the hives are worker bee. Most are the worker bee, and these bees work whole day. Only and only there are the 3 types of the bees. One is the queen bee, another one is the worker bee, and third one is the soldier bee. Only queen bee lays the egg. Queen bee क्या करती है? Egg रखती है. Worker bee क्या करती है? वो hive के अंदर रहती है, and जो worker bee है वो पूरे दिन काम करती है, and the soldier bees है वो पूरी hive की सबकी गार्ड करती है, रक्षा करती है, right? They fly around the flowers, and around the flowers they fly. Which one? Worker bee. They collect nectar from the flower to make honey, and the worker bee collect the nectar from the flower. When any bees find flower with nectar, it does a special kind of dance by each other. Bees can know where the nectar is. Now if the one bee has find the nectar, then is that bee does the typical type of the dance. So every bees knows that here is the nectar, right? क्या होता है कि वो कहीं पे से उनको नेक्टर दिख जाता है कोई भी एक हनी बी को, तो वो एक स्पेशल टाइप का डांस करती है और वो डांस देख के दूसरी जो हनी बी है उसको पता चल जाता है, राइट? द वर्कर बीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द हाइव, और इसके लिए वर्कर बी जो है वो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Without them, there would be a neither hive nor any nectar collection. Without the worker bee, it is not possible to make a hive or collecting the nectar, right? All these bees in the hive would go hungry. All the bees in the hive would go hungry. All the bees क्या होती है hive के अंदर? बहुत ही hungry होती है. Ant live and work together like honey bee. Just like a honey bee, ant also live and work together. The queen ant lays the egg. Ant जो होती है वैसे वो भी honey bee के जैसी होती है. The queen ant जो है वो एग ले करती है. द सोल्जर एंट लुक आफ्टर एंड गार्ड द एंट हिल. जो सोल्जर एंट है वो एंट हिल को गार्ड करती है और दूसरी जो एंट है उसकी देखभाल करती है. वर्कर एंट्स आर ऑलवेज बिजी लुकिंग फॉर फूड एंड ब्रिंगिंग इनटू द एंट हिल. जो वर्कर एंट है वो सबके अंदर बिजी रहती है जो खाना लाने के लिए, और वो खाने को एंट हिल में लाने के लिए बिजी रहती है. टर्माइट्स एंड वास्प ऑल्सो लिव लाइक दिस, एंड टर्माइट्स एंड वास्प ऑल्सो look like a honey bee and ants. Same procedure they also did, right students? You know about the Anita and the honey bee. Now look at here children, here the so many ants is there. Okay, you give the picture, you show the picture, right students? So it is the story about the Anita and the honey bees. You have understood all the lesson. If you don't understand, then repeat again and again. Okay, now shall we start our exercise?